Oh,
Hey, right.
go ahead, say whatever it is you say. I forgot about that.
Hey, Justin and Leon here, FNK Classic Cars. Good morning.
Good morning. Word up.
Up
Down,
yours.
sideways, whatever. And don't forget,
Yeah, Frankenstein.
we're working on garbage. That's what we do.
Yeah.
Anyway, we got this piece of fucking shit. I mean, wonderful car.
Uh-huh.
All right, now listen. I'm going to show you what's wrong with it. Listen.
All right, here we go.
Listen with your ears.
All right, I'm ready.
All right. See, right now, I'm going to start it.
Oh, it doesn't start.
Just kidding. So what this is like that song. She bangs, she bangs, she bangs. She don't start.
She don't start.
So anyway.
So this is is this an instructional video? Like
No,
a how-to,
this
or
is-
is this just for entertainment?
This is entertainment and probably how not to do it.
Okay.
We're gonna take the longest possible time and probably screw it up.
All right.
There you go.
So you're along for the ride. Don't use this as a how-to.
Now, how to fuck your car up.
Yeah. All right. Oh, let me get out of your way then.
That's what we do. All right.
All right.
I'm gonna get prepared.
What do you got there? You got a nice starter?
I got this here starter. It may or may not work better than that one.
Look at that.
Are you here?
Uh-huh.
You still recording?
Yeah.
Anyway, so I'm gonna get some stuff. Oh, I'm getting some stuff if anybody gives a crap.
All right. Well, here's
Sure, no
the
one
starter
cares.
out here if you want it.
I'm sure no one cares. It's how it is.
You want me to jack the car up?
Oh, good idea.
Or
Yeah,
jack
that'd
it
be
off?
great.
I mean, yeah, up, right? Yeah.
That's a good idea.
All right.
Once in a while you have one.
No, it's just going to go up here in a second.
He said it's gonna go up here in a second. I love this other little 57 workbench we got here.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, what? You all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just keep, pump it.
Pump it.
Pump it
Pump it real
good. All right, sorry.
We're not
What
right.
the? Got 27 different sizes, none of them seem to fit. All right, so I'm gonna go get the size that fits.
How tall do you want
possibly.
this thing?
6 feet.
That's it.
That should be plenty high enough.
Hopefully it'll fall on us while we're under there.
Oh, look, my phone's ringing.
Got an important business call.
It's Claire.
Hi, Claire.
Should I talk to her?
Sure, why not?
All right, you're still jacking. You can cut some of this out. Hello. Oh, you're home this weekend, huh? So whenever you want to come down, we're just putting a starter on an old piece of crapola. All right, bye. Important conference call, business call.
All right. Well, now we got to crawl underneath this thing.
Hey, stop. Oh, look at this.
Collaborate and listen.
Dice is back with a brand new starter. Oh, I need a pair of dikes, and I'm not talking about your twin sisters.
Oh.
There we go. Got some. Yay. All right, Billy.
All right.
I don't know if your name's really Billy, but.
Silly Billy.
All right. Are you under or am I under?
I don't know.
I can get under if you want me to.
All right. I got to put on regular glasses so I can see.
Yeah, I got mine's on. Oh, what? Can you turn the steering wheel that way so it kicks the tire away?
Sure.
So I can get my fat ass past the tire? Oh, great.
Oh, great.
You do beautiful work.
How's that?
Beautiful. Yeah.
If I turn it anymore, the steering wheel is going to break off.
Oh, who cares? We don't even need it doesn't start. What do we need a steering wheel for?
Good point.
Yeah, on top of your head. Oh, so what we're going to do, if everybody out there at home is listening, they probably aren't because they probably fell asleep by now. But we're going to take this, well, possibly take this starter off. Doesn't seem to come off as easy as I was hoping, but what the? Geez, these things are tight. The starter ain't gonna fall off because the bolts are really tight.
They're torqued in there real good.
They're torqued. All right, can you give me my
Yep, what do you need?
my big, wait a second. Actually, I'm not gonna be able to get anything in there. Can you get on top of the red toolbox,
Okay.
there's a set of American wrenches, not ratchet wrenches or nothing, just regular wrenches.
Here's your wrenches.
Oh, my winches.
You want all? Okay, I guess you do want all of them.
I'm gonna start with this one. I'm gonna start with this one. Shoo, way. I ain't never seen one that little. Whoa! Oh! For all you guys that get that all the time. What? That's not nice. I ain't never seen one that little.
Cute little fella.
Oh, what? What in the hell? That's
Hey,
got
it's
a new.
Claire.
Is it? It's got a new.
Oh wait, there's Claire. Now wait, Claire. I was only filming your feet.
It's got a new idler arm on it.
Isn't that nice? Idle?
Yeah, it'll make it idle gooder. All right, here's that.
Living the dream.
Dreaming to live. All right, now this isn't gonna work, is it? I don't think it will. Why would it? That's so dumb.
All right.
Working at 57 style.
Which one do you want?
Either one.
Well, there was 3 of them.
The one that says 8 or 5/16.
Okay, here's 8.
All right. Well.
Yes. That's a deep subject.
Yes, it is. And that's the wrong size too, also.
Oh, good.
So, where did that other one go? That 11, whatever it was.
That's over here.
The one that I just had.
I think I have it here. Well, no, that's a quarter.
No, the one that I just had on it. It's laying there somewhere.
Oh. All right, you ready?
There.
All
right.
You got it?
Nope. Thanks for asking. Nope. All right, so what I'm going to do
Yes?
is light the car on fire. I think that'll
idea.
help. I mean, it's got to help. I just took a plug wire off. Whoops.
Oh, yeah.
You don't need all the plugs to fire at the same time.
That'll still start.
Yeah. What is it going on? Why is it so hard to get this one little nut off? One little nut.
That sounded funny.
Huh?
I said that sounded funny.
It did. But when you're trying to get it to come apart, it's not quite as funny as you would think. Oh, I think I might be getting somewheres. Where am I?
You getting your nuts off finally?
Finally. Jeez, 3 weeks later, finally got my nuts off. All right. Now where did the nut go? I need the nut.
You dropped your nut?
Yeah, I did. It don't matter. We got new nuts on the other one. What we're gonna do, ow, rip my shoulder off, and then we're gonna take the starter out. For all you guys here at home, before you buy 3,000 cars, spend 4 or 5 grand to buy a lift, because I didn't, and it wasn't a good idea.
You got this comfortable gravel here to work.
Oh, I love it. Nothing like gravels. You catching all this? This extremely exciting footage. This is riveting.
Riveting material.
Yeah, well, I'm actually taking bolts out. It's not riveting, but it's like, you know, sort of the same thing. All right, there we go. Now we got something. What the? I've never ever taken a starter out this way. And the way the exhaust is made, you can't get it past the exhaust.
Dave make custom exhaust for it?
Well, it looks like it was something that was laying in a custom in the yard, maybe, for hundreds of years.
Oh, that's how you
There
do
you
it.
go, look at that.
There we go. Oh, careful. You don't knock your liver out.
Oh, I'll be all right. All right, now, I'm going to come up for a second. Come up for air.
Okay.
For hair. Where does plug wire come off of? Looks like they're all still
Second
on.
one back, I think.
Oh, all right. We'll need that. But not right now. We'll need that later. All right, see if it'll fire up. Oh, yeah. I forgot I got to put the starter on. All right, hold on.
I always hit my head on this.
Oh, 57s always do that to you. All right, I'm doing it.
All right.
Here I go.
All right, here you go.
Ow!
Oh,
You hear that?
I heard that.
Wow, that really doesn't feel good. My
I'm
knees
going to
are...
put that through there and hand it to you.
Who?
We have limited tire angle. What am I saying? We have camera angle, so
Tire angle.
everybody you have to watch out of the corner of your screen.
The corner of your screen. What do I do with the bolts that hold it to the car?
Who cares? Zip strap it in there.
Zippity doo dah. Right. That one had one shim. I guess I ought to put. I don't know. Whatever. Oh yeah. All right. Give me a starter.
Give me an ass.
Wait a second. All right.
I'm still holding it.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. Probably. Yeah, probably. Now, how did the wires come in before? So they're away from the exhausties.
Looks like that, yeah.
All right, let's do
it.
Now I need that big wire. Big wire. Shoey. The big shoey wire. Not chewy wire, but shoey. I just ate some greasy dirt. Delish.
Yummy.
Greasy dirt.
It's good for you.
It's not like chicken grease. It's regular automotive style grease. Dirt broiled. It's like Mom used to make. Of course, she hated us kids. Now, where'd the little wire go? Oh, there it is.
Are you talking to yourself?
Yeah. Just wondering how
the audience.
I'm wondering how I've been, you know.
I
was checking, and you know, pretty much I'm getting the vibes that I'm not doing that great.
Oh.
You know, still alive, but barely hanging on. Because, you know, that's just the way life is now. You get kicked down, and you get up, and you get kicked down, and you get hit by a bus.
That's very inspirational.
All you kids out there, best years of your life are behind you. Just trying to cheer you up. I hope it helps.
This is the FNK inspirational moment.
Yes. You ready?
Yeah.
I don't know what for, but we're ready.
We're peeking at you from over here now.
Peeking?
We're having a good time.
All right, now.
We need
Futura
Tire to sponsor our video, since there's a lot of this tire in the video. We need old Peppy Boys
Pep Boys, Manny Moe, and Jack Off.
You doing all right under there?
No, this is terrible.
I hear your body making all kinds of like cracking noises.
Look at that. We got one wire tight, just for an update. One wire's tight.
Now we need to play Bon Jovi's, you know.
Living on a Prayer? Oh.
No, we're halfway there. No, you're living on a prayer,
Yeah.
Video also brought to you by Kreger.
SOS pads.
Look at that. We're laying on.
Oh, you son of a.
No.
I just did, yeah.
Did it crack it?
I'm not real sure. I heard something.
I heard it too.
I don't feel nothing though. I don't know. Can you see it? I can't see it from down here.
It looks fine. I don't know what that was. I don't see anything. Let me try to. No, that doesn't help any.
I wasn't even getting real after it.
I think that's just a shadow I'm seeing. Yeah.
Here's the real test. We'll see if it does anything.
Okay.
All right. Let me crawl out. This will be a half-hour segment. Well, maybe it will work.
Well, it looks like it's working. We did figure out between takes here that the starter did split.
This
wasn't a shadow.
They always do that. They're junk. I guess we just run it till it don't run no more.
Yeah, it's got a warranty on it, doesn't it?
Yeah. Lift time.
Lift time. So the moment of truth was, it cranks.
Now, we gotta let it down on the ground, see if we can get it to actually fart. It sounds good cranking now.
Yeah.
Crank's nice. Smooth. Will it continue to work like that, or is it gonna?
I think it will.
At least it runs.
All right, she's a runner.
I'll put the core in here. I'll take that back for the whatever we get back. 13.
Good times. Old Frankenstein.
She's a pile. I didn't run her.
Running like Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Yeah, when it's running from the fryer. Guy that's trying to fry it. The chicken is. If you want to know anything else about this car, you can look it up on onefinepile.com.
Yeah, onefinepile.com.
Actually, don't look that up. I'm not sure what you're going to find.
Yeah, you got to be careful on the internet these days.
But there it is. It runs. It's a fine piece of automotive technology.
If you go back in the archives a bit, there's a few videos on Frankenstein here that keep you entertained for at least a few minutes.
Oh yeah, now she's got a brand new tag on her, so she's legal and everything.
Man,
insurance.
We can go out on some road adventures.
Yeah.
Make a video out on the road, see what happens.
Yeah, road. She's a roader. Road worthy. Well, you know, it's got a tag.
Close enough, yeah.
It's got a tag. Road worthy's, you know, up to.
Subjective.
Yes.
Subjective term.
It's up to, it's opinions. Opinions.
So we learned. We hope you didn't learn anything. That's what we're hoping.
Yeah, well, hopefully you had a good time, and apparently even if you crack your solenoid on your new starter, it'll still start.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, apparently it did crack, but there it is. It still works. So, you know, it just goes along with the character of the car.
Yes.
You know, imperfect car, imperfect starter.
Imperfection.
Yeah.
At its worst.
All right, I guess. Are we done?
Yeah, peace out.
All right, peace out, everybody.
Thank you. Up, down, sideways,
Yeah.
word.
We'll see you on the next one.
We'll see you next time. Thanks for shopping at Walmart. I mean, where are we at?
We should get
This isn't Walmart,
sponsors.
is it?
No.
Anyway.
FNK Classic Cars.
Oh, yeah. And you're not shopping anyway.
Let's go.
All right, yeah. There she is. She's a runner.
All right.
Look at that.
It still fires up.
Still. Minutes later, it's still running. I don't know what kind of an endurance test that is. Minutes later.